Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hola Opulence. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I got a quick unboxing review for you guys today. As usual, this is something I've actually had in my collection for at least 3.5 to 4 years, but I feel like on my channel I didn't really do like a proper unboxing for it. I mean, I did like a top 5. If you haven't seen that, it is actually in my top 5 Louis Vuitton essentials. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's on my channel. Go check it out. So without further ado, I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail. Let's get straight into the unboxing. This is a Louis Vuitton belt, and it is a reversible Louis Vuitton belt. So let me just open it. Actually, this is the way it came. If you know me, you know I always like to keep all my pieces the way they came. So you can see the Louis Vuitton box right there. It says Louis Vuitton in front with the blue ribbon, and this is actually in navy blue, because I see sometimes people actually message me in my comments, ask me, oh, is that a black or navy blue? It's absolutely a navy blue. I know it does look like a black because of the lighting and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of the box. All right, that's it right there. It has a dust bag. Okay, and in front right there it does say Louis Vuitton on the dust bag right there. Okay, with the pull string right there in blue. And here we go. Bam. So as you can see, it is the Louis Vuitton Monogram belt with the gold hardware. Okay, and this is actually a reversible belt. The other side is epi leather right there, as you can see. All right, and it has got like a decent amount of wear and tear right there. You can see, but the gold still looks nice and all, but it does have some scratches here and there, you know, but so far it's not a big deal. I do wear this in a size 95 right there. Okay, so but this side is the epi leather, and the other side is the brown, you know, monogram classic Converse side right there. And in the box, I'm gonna put it on in a minute so you guys can see exactly what it looks like on. All right, let me put I put this box to the side so I can quickly put it on and you guys can see what it looks like. So I do wear this. My waist size is a size 32, and in the Louis Vuitton belt size I am a 95. So if you are a size 32 in waist, I suggest you go in the Louis Vuitton belt a size 95. For me, that's the best and comfortable size for me, I feel, in my opinion, if you're a 32. Okay, so let me put it on and I can show you guys what it looks like. Okay, that is the monogram side. As you can see the gold hardware. All right, all the way around. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to the epi leather side so you guys can see what it looks like on the epi leather side. And by the way, to switch it is pretty easy. So you just take it right there, you push that out, and then switch the belt, because it has like a loop over the head that you can just push there's a hole right there. As you can see, you can just push the belt and put the side you want to put. So now we are on the epi leather side. As you can see, I'm gonna put it on. Okay guys, this is the black epi leather side. This is the front. As you can see, side going all the way around. And there you have it, the gold hardware. All right, that's it. Okay, guys, that is it. So what I do want to say though is this particular epi leather monogram side, I don't know if they still have it on their website, but I'm sure they have something similar. It's either they have the monogram canvas side with the black calf leather side or something to that effect, but they always have something similar, you know, because like I said, this has been in my collection for about 3 years, 3.5 to 4 years. So I'm not sure if they still have this particular one, but like I said, just go there. You can find something pretty similar. If it's not epi leather, it would be like calf leather, but it's still equally good as well. That is about it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining me today. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button and comment in the section below. Guys, tell me what you think about the belt. Do you like it? Do you not like it? You know, tell me what your opinion is. And that's about it. You guys have a wonderful day. All our opulence out.